He's just tumbling. This is like, what was that movie with Matthew McConaughey?
Dislocated his shoulder out there and he's back out. No way. Jeez.
Yeah, no, screw that.
I'm not touching this water.
There was. Alright, anyways, we're not trespassing or nothing. Maybe. This is one of my favorite spots to swim. Look at the freaking, wow. Look at the monster coming in. It's not quite high tide, but it's getting there. We can keep an eye on our stuff, but they can't keep an eye on us. Exactly how I like it. Crap. If this floats away, we become voyagers in this plastic hut. I mean, it won't go farther than the trees. It's like any other day, except it's much deeper.
Hey Vlad, big one.
So, there's this castle, literally a castle, Castle John. It has a drawbridge, it has a pool, all kind of cool stuff. Yeah.
The last storm we had came from the front. You could see this window right here where I stay. It just chased me around like this.
Oh yeah.
Put a pedal.
This is a cool place you guys got. Ah, blister beetles. Sad as got this way, but hey man, with enough work and enough help, it could be back to its former glory and then some. '56 Chevy. Nice. Little '67 Beetle. I mean, I know it's not a muscle car, but it is antique. Wow, it's got the rubber mat and everything. Yeah, the VW scene here is pretty wild. A lot of lovers of the VWs. right, so what is this again?
79 FJ55.
79 FJ55. V8?
Straight 6.
Straight 6.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Wow, those are some serious shackles. Luckily they got...
Got the factory power takeoff winch too. So, supposed to pull some stumps tomorrow.
Cool, cool. All right, sir, you take it easy.
Cool, you too.
So, that right there is a CUDA from Kentucky. Wow. Historic motor vehicle.